What's up, everyone? So it's been over a month since I seen this car. I parked it here because, hey, calm down, man. Come here. Where you going? This is actually my other house. I parked it here because I don't have room at the house that I live in right now. Um, the car runs fine. Nothing's wrong. There's no leaks. Everything's running in top shape. So what's the use of me having it at the house? So I decided to put a cover over it and just preserve it. But as some of you know out there, we have to start the car every like month or two, maybe like twice a month, depending on what your setup is or how good your battery is. I do have a yellow top in here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the cover and I'm just gonna connect the battery. I do have a yellow top, so oh my gosh, look at this. I missed this thing. The car looks so different when you don't see it for such a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and take off cover. Let's see. Oh, I'm trying to pop my hood, but I don't have a latch. I have pins on here, or quick release pins. Now, the reason why I'm talking so soft is because this neighborhood is like I'm not used to this neighborhood. Like at my other house, I can start this car and everyone knows that I'm already up. But in this neighborhood, this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna start this car in the morning, and I kind of don't want to like interrupt anyone. But I have nothing else to do, so I'm gonna start the car and I'm gonna let it warm up. Sorry. All right. All right. This is the ground. So far, so good. No leaks. Now, the only thing I worry about is the tires, because when they sit in one spot for a long time, they tend to form this flat spot. But whatever. Maybe the next time I come here, I'm just gonna go and drive it around the neighborhood or something. All right, let's start this thing. Now, the gas is 91 octane. It's not on ethanol. It's not good to let ethanol sit in the tank for such a long time. So before I parked it, I put 91 octane in it. So yeah. E31 that is mixed with a little bit of ethanol. Alright guys, well, just wanted to make a little 5-minute, 6-minute video. I do drive the QX80 more often because I do use it to pull the side-by-side, so you'll see me driving that more often. I do have a video coming up about the QX80. I will be installing a video bypass and this phone holder that I bought recently. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Friday. Take care out there. Be safe. See you at the next one.